Hi guys, this is a chapter 1. This chapter name is Introduction to Web Development. You should know that this is a outlining class in which I will share just a topic about web development. Introduction of web development. So what are the topics that we will cover in this chapter? First of all, we will discuss about what is actually a website. What is web designing? Web designing skill. You have to learn different skill to become a web designer. What is web development? Also, you will be able to differentiate between web designing and web development. Also, we will discuss different skill that you have to learn about when you want to learn web development. What is backing, front end, and full stack development? So these are different terms used in a web designing, web development field. You should know about these terms. Scope, trend of web development. What is the scope and trend in the world, the field of web development? Scope in online marketing. I will show different online marketing places in which you will be able to see a scope and trend of web development. Web development jobs, very important one topic in which I will share different job about web development. You can apply on that when you learn web development. Web developer salaries. So different average salary I will also share with a live proof. This is a very important one chapter 1, introduction to web development. So don't miss any lecture because you will learn many things from this course and your basic concept will be clear from this chapter 1.